for MG getting put away. So the rats don't get into it and mess it up. So putting, I'd say cabriolet cover over it. I'm sure somebody will chime in and tell me the proper term for the cover that zips down the middle. There's the top. And let's see how the top goes. It does have a brand new soft top in it, and the trunk bottom but this will ensure no Marmadukes get in and decide to feast and shit all over the car, which nobody wants. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy. When you bought it, is this the one that it came with? Yeah. So you can park it, and if it's gonna rain, this is basically what you'd slap on there and hope some hobo doesn't get in there. You gotta get the other side.
Please don't.
I'm not. I'm just filming. No, that's not what I need. It's what your car needs. Top, pretty much in mint shape. That guy did a hell of a job. And anyway, well, this is it in its sad, dirty state.